For someone to stay in Fair Bluff, they really had to be grounded there. That meant family, friends, church.
I don't know anything else. I don't want to go anywhere else. I would not know how to survive anywhere else.
For a lot of people who like to hunt and fish, play baseball, it really was an idyllic setting. It was a great place to live.
Fair Bluff is one of the prettiest towns in North Carolina. Was one of the prettiest towns in North Carolina.
Well, I'm heartbroken. The town was in a bit of a decline before the flood. And obviously the flood was devastating.
Well, before the flood, there was approximately 950 people here. Now, I would say somewhere maybe around between 500 and 550.
We were a booming business. But gone now.